Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have a problem to solve which is taken from Reddit Ask Math, which has gotten super popular because the viewers and the problem solvers mentioned that the result, the answer of this equation just don't make sense. So here we have a shape with the 8 sides given, and out of which only 7 sides has the length described in terms of the variable x. So the part of the questions are to determine the parameter of the shape given here and solving for the x, assuming that the entire parameter is going to be 82 units. Okay, let's focus only on this shape. So the first part of the question is to find out the parameter of this shape. If you focus, we know that we are not provided with the length of this particular side. So basically parameter is nothing but the addition of all the lengths of the sides of any shape. So basically in the general mathematics, we are not supposed to assume the length, angle, the dimensions, but here just because that we are not provided with any length for this particular shape, as the shape is not provided, it would appear that this particular shape is the rectilinear. That means it is fine to assume that all these angles are the right angles. So let us just draw that for the clarity. This assumption of having all the angles as a right angle is fine here, because if the assumptions we wouldn't go ahead with it, we wouldn't be able to find out the length of this side. Let us focus only on this bottom side, which is x plus 3. So if you notice here, this line, if I am going to divide that into 3 parts, from here 1, this is one side, then to here, this is second part, and this is the third part. So basically what I am trying to do here is the x plus 3 at the bottom of the shape, it should be equivalent to the addition of these 3 shapes because of the right angle to calculate the parameter. Parameter is nothing but the addition of all the lengths of the sides of any shape. So basically let's first focus on this bottom line, which is x plus 3, and now I have divided this bottom line into the 3 parts. If you notice, that is just for an observation. Why I have divided is this particular part that is equivalent to the length of this particular part. Then the second one should be the length of the missing length of this part, and the third part should be nothing but this x plus 5. So basically instead of going into any equation and the calculations, we can simply say that this x plus 3 should be the addition of these 3 parts. That's why the next line should also be 3. Then we have given this vertical as a x plus 6. Then this smaller one, x plus 1. This particular side, that is x minus 2, and the last one that is remaining is 2x plus 1. That is going to be our perimeter of this shape. So let me calculate how many x's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7x. 7x, 3 plus 3 is 6, 12, 13, 14, and minus 2 would be plus 12. So 7x plus 12, this is our perimeter, and that is how we have solved the question part A, that is determining the parameter of this shape. Coming to the second one, it is asking for us to solve the x assuming the parameter would be the 82 units. So simply 7x plus 12 is equals to 82. 7x is equals to 82 minus 12. 7x is equals to 70 and x is equals to 10. Now the bigger question here is whether this is accurate in terms of the diagram. So let us find out. So we have reached to the answers of both the parts, finding the perimeter of this particular shape and finding the value of x assuming the perimeter would be 82. So the value of x is 10. So with that result we can say that this particular side is going to be 13. But wait a second, this particular smaller piece, that is going to be 15, which doesn't seem right in the practical world. Coming to this part, this particular value, this is 8, and this part, that is going to be 11, which is super weird and unacceptable, and I guess that is the reason that people have found it super weird and so this particular shape is mathematically impossible the way that it has drawn, because of the length can never be a negative value. So the people are completely right that this particular shape and the answers just don't make sense. Thanks for having such a wonderful, curious community on this YouTube, and please subscribe for more such interesting questions and the explorations. And yes, happy learning.